Musi vhunzhi ha vhathu vha tshi khou vala mishumoni yavho ino vhege vha ḓa vha tshi khou ya fhethu ho fhambanaho hu khou lavhelelwa vhuendi vhunzhi na fhala kha bada khulwane ya N1.
As we know, are closing work, some for those that actually have their workplaces that actually get to go on holiday for the year. Today is the last working day, so later on this evening we're expecting to see more cars also make their way through this part of the road. But funny enough, in both directions there is a certain level of traffic that is making its way. We spoke to commuters, those that were coming in from Gauteng, asking them how is it, on the road, how are they finding it? Some of them saying that they're actually quite happy. In fact, all of them actually saying that they're quite happy. They are seeing that the toll gates, because we know it gets a little bit crowded at the toll gates in terms of the traffic. They're saying that they've opened up more lanes, I think, to accommodate in anticipation as well of that increase in traffic volumes that will be coming and going coming to this province. It is a little bit early at this stage because what I've seen driving towards Transkop and what we've found so far in terms of an increased number of traffic officials or the traffic police, I haven't seen quite a lot. Perhaps it is still early